Hi, it's Nina. Hello, I'm again on Navino channel, and in today's video we're gonna talk about how to make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat. So let's get started. Well, as you're getting the app, and here the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna tap on your chat at the top right corner. Now I'm gonna look for a group. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now to add an admin to this group, here what we're gonna do, we're gonna tap on the name of the group at the very top, and then we're gonna tap on people. And as you see here, I'm the admin of the group. Now to add another admin to this group, here you can just tap on the three dots next to the person that you want to add him as an admin, and then hit make admin. So here both me and my second account are admin of this group. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.